morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are here at the very bottom of Osmena Peak, and it's about a 20-minute trek going up to the peak.
Let's talk about the ride here. Guys, it was like an hour and 45 minutes. My butt hurts. It is not an easy road to go on for an hour. But, I mean, this view, Osmena Peak, right there. The hike up here, it's short, relatively short, but it's very steep and a lot of loose rock. So be careful.
What do you think of all this?
It's beautiful, it's breathtaking. Like, they're like camel humps, the back. Like, look, walk over here.
You guys, this is absolutely beautiful. And if you find yourself in Cebu, just make that hour-and-a-half drive from Moabua, or if you're sitting in Oslo, even better, because it's closer.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Guys, standing up here on the tallest part of this peak is insane. The view, I've never seen nothing like it. It's absolutely extraordinary. It's so green and peaceful. And the wind, you can feel it up here very, very, very well. It's amazing.
Guys, the people here have been nothing but friendly to us. Like, I'm like, I guess
We're
blushing.
cheesing. We're
Yeah,
blushing.
cheesing.
Like, insanely, like, so kind, not afraid to ask questions, come up to us, approach us.
Asking us where we're from, if we're vloggers, and if we say yes, they ask for our YouTube name, and they like immediately subscribe. They just like want to get to know more about us. They're very curious here, and it's nice to have that exchange back and forth.
Yeah, and I think they appreciate like people coming to their country, exploring, for us to get to see what their country has. We love it. The people have been so kind. And Philippines, this is, like, we've been here a week and we've already felt welcome like we're at home. So thank you. This is what to come. Like, we're never leaving.
We're excited. We're excited to explore more, and let's just keep showing you more of this beautiful view that we're seeing.
There's like no words to describe it.
It's like,
there's a lot to take in. But like, it's all like, this is like, how?
This is their backyard. This is what they wake up to every morning. We could sit here for quite some time and just admire the beauty that's in front of us.
We would literally just move like half a millimeter. We'd spend days up here. Like, every little angle you look, there's something new. Guys, I'm gonna fly my drone, but the wind is so yeah, it's pretty windy up here, so I cannot fly my drone. I tried, I pulled it out, and nope, before it even got up off the launch pad, it scooted. So yeah, can't lose another drone. Damn it, because the views up here are out of this world. Overall, guys, whether it's sunny, cloudy, it doesn't even make a difference. Come to Osmena Peak. It is beautiful. Today we're lucky we get 360 views. Sometimes when it's like really, really, really cloudy, of course you can't. It's beautiful, guys. It's nothing but like these big, huge, it looks like the camelback, green, luscious, beautiful mountains. And it's so freaking peaceful up here. So yeah, I'd come back in a heartbeat. Let's go.
That is a hike. The entrance lady just told us that it is much higher than Osmena Peak, but the views are way better, she said. So we'll find out for ourselves. Not gonna lie, guys, this
It's a hike.
it's pretty strenuous.
Well, I think it's because we also don't have any water. We didn't plan for this very well.
And we haven't eaten. It's like 11 a.m. already this morning, so our gas tanks are like depleting.
But you know what? We're gonna make it to the top, and we're gonna love every freaking second of it.
Yeah.
We still like. I don't even think we touched the surface.
No, not yet. It looks very far away.
I think our tour guide's already up there. She's literally up there waving at. Yeah. Hi. We'll be there.
All right. We're gonna put this down and
We're
make
like
our
in
way
the
up.
elevator.
Yeah.
We're like in the elevator.
But
Alright, let's just go.
But we did find this awesome view behind us, so it's gorgeous.
Guys, let's hope I can find just 1 minute of stillness so I can fly my drone. I feel like I've not flown my drone at all in the Philippines, and this is the one place in the world
It's true though.
that needs to have a freaking drone shot for every place you go.
Everything. We're almost there.
Oh my gosh, you guys. This is deep.
Getting to the peaks can be a little difficult because if you type it in on Google Maps, it'll give you 3 types of directions to get here. Be sure to click on the link below. That is the one that we use, that Nico suggested we take to get here. And it was the smoothest one because the other 2 kind of lead you to the middle of nowhere or to a road that is not well constructed. And I'm sorry that I'm breathing hard, but this hike is very strenuous.
Yeah.
Will's holding on, or Will's leading the back end, making sure we're all making it to the top.
Let's go.
This is
Okay, now we're on top of the world.
beautiful.
I honestly feel like Jonisha can fly.
The wind's good here.
Yeah. I might have got my window.
This is absolutely mesmerizing. Wow, wow, wow. And we get to go even higher.
What? You guys. This keeps going and going and going.
Everything that I thought about the Philippines just went out the window because this just blew my mind out of the ballpark.
Like,
what do you think?
We knew it's beautiful, but until you see it in person, you don't beautiful does not justify it.
It doesn't.
All. It's surreal. It's so sharp and crisp and green and perfect. Perfect.
And there hasn't been a place we've gone to that has offered us this whole 360 view.
Not like this.
Crystal clear. You can see everything.
All the islands. Like,
Philippines, you are literally surprising us, amazing us every day. And we can't wait to see what else there is to see outside of Cebu.
All right, guys, we're heading back down. This was Casino Peak. It was definitely our favorite. It is breathtaking. The video, like, I know it's not gonna do justice, but you guys, if you can make it here to the Philippines, this is an absolute must on your list. There's not even like, number one, just come here. Just do it. You'll be mesmerized. And if the rest of the Philippines is anything like this, we are beyond in for a treat. But yeah, it's worth it. And the clouds are rolling in. Look at that.